Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Pokejack here, and today we have a Paldea adventure chest with the old Spirigato on the one side, Palmy on the other. These things were regular $54.99 Canadian, but I got them for $35 because they were on sale. I bought two of them. So I've had this thing sitting up there, I don't know, half a year. 4 months. It's just been sitting up there. But hey, when you go to Walmart and you go grocery shopping and they're not diligent enough to stock the shelves, not one single pack of Pokemon cards. So we got these things. We got the Pikachu. The little rubber Pikachu. Mine is at work and on my computer monitor. Oh my goodness. How do you get all this stuff out of here? Oh.
Oh, stay in there.
There's a promo card in there. Do you want to take that out? We're getting help with this one. Oh wow. There's a little trap door. And there's your packs. So we got 2 from the Paradox Rift, 2 from Obsidian Flames, Paldea Evolved, and Scarlet and Violet base set. You get some stickers. And there's supposed to be 7 promo cards, so we're gonna count them all before we throw out all the stuff in the garbage. That'd be my luck. There's a promo card. Mrs. Pokejack's really helping out today. Pack the Spirigato away. Black Star promo number 87. Marshall DX. Oh, see, there's more promo cards in there. Is this one a promo too? Nope, that's one right from the Paradox Rift set.
That's a cute one.
Yeah, that is a cute one from the old Obsidian Flame set. Another Paldea Evolved. Another Paldea Evolved one. But they got the fancier borders. That's how you know we got good ones. And there's the Pikachu.
Nice.
That is a nice Pikachu, actually.
What a happy little Pikachu.
Yeah, we better put that in a different one in case we decide that we're gonna send off some PSA submissions one day. Once I fall off my wallet.
Oh.
Okay, anyway, we'll deal with that later.
How many is there? 3, 6, 7.
7, better be. Okay. So, do the Paradox Rift first. Charcadet, Swablu, Anseer, Wiglet, making little arches. Explode, Mela, Yanmask, Reverse, Gligar,
Ooh,
Iron Valiant EX.
nice.
Wow. Mrs. Pokejack's in charge of the sleeves today.
Good one.
And we're gonna make different piles so we can Organize them nicely. The Dark Energy, Hone Edge, Horsey, Joltik, Natu, Screamtail, oops, Ferroseed, into a Kingdra reverse, and a Latios. Okay. And the Obsidian Flames. There's only like 4 or 5 Charizard cards that you can get from this set. So if you like Charizards, this might be the set for you. Oopsies. Numel, Mawile, Togedemaru, Graveyard, Stunfisk. That's kind of like Chewy. Slazzle, Tadbulb, Reverse. The Wug Trio kind of fell out there. Mawile Reverse.
Oh,
Dragonite EX.
wow.
That's pretty nice.
Wow.
That's okay, yeah.
Yeah.
And the code card. The Dark Energy. Froakie in the rain. You can see the rain falling down. Houndsweet. A Vulpix on the grass. Diggersby. Solar Rock. Houndoom. Looks like the end of the world behind it. Spoink. Reverse. Rowlet. And a Scizor. Yeah, another thing that made me think about the set is the only thing left on the Walmart shelf. Oopsies, I gotta get it in there to open it. Was a part of this box. So somebody went in there, opened her up, took the goods out of it, walked away, didn't pay for it. So if you work at Walmart and you're listening, you guys need to get like one of those glass cases, put all the Pokemon cards in there. Nobody can steal. Put them up front next to customer service and stock the thing. Quaxley, Tinkadink, because that's what some of us look forward to when we go shopping. Choice Belt, Pommel. See, so here's the difference between the old Pommels there. Shiny, not shiny. A Voltorb Reverse. Holy, 3 holy. What is that thing? Arctibax.
Wow.
Illustration rare. That thing's majestic.
Very nice.
Get that thing in the sleeve. You can guarantee we don't have that one. Paldea Evolved. That's a fun set to open. And then into the Scarlet and Violet base set. I don't think we're supposed to show that side of the code card. That's okay. Aralts, Shuppet, Growlithe, a Nest Ball, Patch, yep, Rotom Reverse, Clauncher, and a Klefki. Thank you guys very much for watching. Catch you in the next one. Pokejack out.